Welcome to our comparison of two powerful processors, the AMD Ryzen 55600X and the Intel Core i7-12700K. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance in gaming and multitasking, and overall value for money. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, understanding these processors will help you make an informed decision. The AMD Ryzen 55600X is priced at $309, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the Intel Core i7-12700K, which is priced at $496. For gamers and users looking for a cost-effective solution, the Ryzen 55600X offers excellent value for performance. However, if you're willing to invest more for higher performance, the i7-12700K might be worth the extra cost. When it comes to performance, both processors excel in gaming. The Ryzen 55600X offers strong gaming performance with its 6 cores and 12 threads, while the Intel Core i7-12700K, with its 12 cores, 8 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, provides exceptional multitasking capabilities. The i7-12700K outperforms the Ryzen 55600X in multi-threaded tasks, making it a better choice for content creators and heavy multitaskers. In terms of power efficiency, the AMD Ryzen 55600X has a thermal design power (TDP) of 65W, which is significantly lower than the Intel Core i7-12700K's TDP of 125W. This means that the Ryzen 55600X is not only more power efficient, but also generates less heat, making it a great option for users who want to build a quieter system without compromising performance. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 55600X and Intel Core i7-12700K have their strengths and weaknesses. The Ryzen 55600X is an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers, while the i7-12700K is ideal for those who need top-tier performance for multitasking and gaming. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.